Electrons determine bond type and strength by moving between atoms to fill their outer shells, creating attractions that hold atoms together as single, double, or triple bonds, and influencing whether bonds are ionic or covalent. Think of atoms like people who want a full backpack of 8 marbles to feel stable. Electrons are the marbles. When 2 atoms share marbles, they form a covalent bond where the shared electrons act like a rope pulling them together. And when one atom gives marbles to another, they form an ionic bond where opposite charges attract like magnets. The number of shared or transferred electrons changes how strong the connection is, so more shared pairs mean a stronger bond and less tendency to break. Electrons also sit in specific regions called orbitals, and how those orbitals overlap affects bond direction and shape, which helps explain why molecules have different shapes and behaviors. A common mistake is thinking electrons are fixed in place. They are actually spread in clouds and move between atoms. So visualize them as fuzzy areas, not tiny balls. And remember that sharing can be unequal, making bonds polar. Another misconception is believing all bonds of the same type are equally strong. Bond strength changes with how many electrons are shared and how well orbitals overlap. So consider bond order and orbital overlap when comparing strength. Some students assume only outer electrons matter, but inner electrons affect shielding and influence how strongly outer electrons are held. So consider both when predicting bonding tendencies. For more videos and resources that explain how electrons make and break bonds and how this impacts molecules, check out www.gumballdegree.com.